It's a beautiful yin day here in Vancouver, British Columbia. It's rainy, it's going to get windy today, but we're going to journey inside. So we'll start as we normally do with sitting. By the way, a bolster as always will come in quite handy. So if you don't have a bolster, grab some pillows, some cushions, or take your yoga mat, put a big towel on top of it and roll it up, or roll 2 yoga mats together, and they'll form a nice solid bolster for you. But as I mentioned, we'll start with a few moments to arrive. So find a comfortable sitting position, snuggle nicely into the earth, into the ground. We'll begin with a few cycles of breathing. We'll do something that's in many yoga traditions, including the Shivananda tradition, called a 3-part breath. You can have one hand on the belly, the other hand on the lower ribs, more to the sides. Exhale first. As you inhale, first make your belly big, balloon up the stomach, and then keep the breath happening into the side ribs. And then finally, lift the top of the rib cage. Then as you exhale, reverse this. Let the chest fall down, the ribs fall in, and the belly draw in as well. Do that 3 more times. Inhale, belly first, lower ribs and upper ribs. Exhale, reversing that. Sighing it out. 2 more times. Inhale, first from the belly, side ribs, upper chest. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your hands. Close your eyes. Allow your breath now to be whatever it wants to be. But notice what happens as you happen to breathe. Notice what moves as you breathe in and breathe out. Couple more breaths. Before you open your eyes, set an intention for your practice today. Why are you here? And you can open your eyes, lean back to release your legs, shake the legs out,